On a remote island in the Indian Ocean, a bird once thrived, unlike any other on Earth. Round, curious, and fearless, the dodo lived in a world without predators, until we arrived. When Dutch sailors landed on Mauritius in 1598, they met a bird that did not know fear. Within a century, it was gone, hunted, its eggs destroyed, its forests burned. The dodo became a symbol of extinction, a reminder of how fragile life can be. But what if extinction wasn't the end? Today, through the lens of artificial intelligence, we can imagine the dodo's return. In this recreated world, the forests are restored. Fig trees heavy with fruit, tortoises roaming beneath them, and the dodo alive again. Could it survive in our world of rising seas and shrinking forests? Could humanity, wiser now, protect what we once destroyed? The dodo's return is more than fantasy. It's a vision of hope. Because extinction is not just an ending. It's a lesson written in the story of life itself. They were here long before us, and their echoes still linger in the wind, the waves, and the forests they once called home. Perhaps we can't bring them back, but we can remember them and protect what remains. Because the story of life is still being written, and it's up to us how it ends. Have you seen them before? This is Extinction Reversed. Join us on Vibe Sparks and be part of the story of life returning.